Hey everyone. Breaking news for seniors: there's a major development you need to know about right now. The IRS has just announced something huge that could put an extra $3,500 in your pocket if you're over 60 and receiving Social Security, SSI, SSDI, or VA benefits. But before we dive into all the details about this golden stimulus check, take a quick second to hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you never miss out on crucial updates about your benefits and financial opportunities like this one. Are you ready to learn how you might qualify for this substantial payment? Let me tell you why this news is so significant, especially in today's economy where every dollar counts. Many seniors across America have been struggling with rising costs of living, from groceries to healthcare expenses. This new stimulus initiative aims to provide much-needed relief to our elderly population who've worked hard their entire lives and deserve financial security in their golden years. But you might be wondering what makes this stimulus check different from previous ones? And more importantly, how can you make sure you don't miss out on this opportunity? The $3,500 Golden Stimulus Check program specifically targets Americans aged 60 and above who are currently receiving Social Security retirement benefits, Supplemental Security Income, SSI, Social Security Disability Insurance, SSDI, or Veterans Affairs, VA, benefits. This isn't just another general stimulus payment, it's a targeted effort to support our senior citizens who often live on fixed incomes and have been disproportionately affected by recent economic challenges. Think about it: when was the last time we saw a stimulus payment specifically designed for our senior population? Now, you might be asking yourself what exactly triggered this new stimulus initiative. The answer lies in the recent economic data showing that seniors have been bearing the brunt of inflation, with many having to make difficult choices between paying for medications, utilities, or even food. The government has recognized this crisis and is stepping in with this golden stimulus check to help ease these burdens. But what do you need to do to ensure you receive your payment if you qualify? Let's talk about eligibility requirements, because this is where many people get confused. To qualify for the full $3,500 payment, you must be at least 60 years old and currently receiving one or more of the following: Social Security retirement benefits, SSI, SSDI, or VA benefits. Your annual income must fall within certain thresholds, which have been adjusted to account for cost of living increases. Have you been keeping track of your income and benefits to ensure you meet these criteria? One crucial aspect that many people overlook is the timing of this stimulus payment. The IRS has established specific disbursement dates based on the last digits of recipients' Social Security numbers. This systematic approach helps ensure smooth distribution of funds and prevents system overload. But do you know which month you might receive your payment? Understanding this timeline is essential for proper financial planning. Something that's particularly important to note is how this golden stimulus check differs from regular monthly Social Security payments. This is a one-time payment designed to provide additional support beyond your regular benefits. It's crucial to understand that this payment won't affect your other benefits or change your eligibility for other assistance programs. Isn't it reassuring to know that accepting this stimulus won't jeopardize your existing benefits? Many seniors have expressed concern about the application process, but here's the good news: in most cases, you won't need to file any additional paperwork. If you're already receiving Social Security, SSI, SSDI, or VA benefits, the IRS will use the information they have on file to process your payment automatically. However, there are some situations where you might need to take action. Do you know if you fall into one of these special categories? Let's discuss what documentation you should have ready, just in case. While most recipients won't need to submit additional paperwork, it's always wise to have certain documents easily accessible. These include your Social Security benefit statement, recent tax returns if you file them, and any correspondence from the VA or Social Security Administration regarding your benefits. Having these documents organized can save you time and stress if any questions arise about your eligibility. One aspect that's generating a lot of questions is how this stimulus payment might affect taxes. The good news is that this golden stimulus check is generally not considered taxable income. This means you won't need to report it on your tax return, and it won't push you into a higher tax bracket. However, it's always wise to consult with a tax professional about your specific situation. Have you thought about how this might impact your overall financial planning for the year? There's also been some confusion about whether receiving this stimulus check will affect other government benefits or assistance programs. Rest assured, this payment is considered a special one-time payment and will not count as income for determining eligibility for federal or state assistance programs. This includes programs like SNAP benefits, Medicare savings programs, or housing assistance. Isn't it important to understand how different benefits work together? Many people are asking about the best ways to use this stimulus money. While everyone's situation is different, some common suggestions include catching up on medical bills, making home repairs or modifications for safety, paying down debt, or creating an emergency fund. The key is to think strategically about how this one-time payment can best improve your financial security. What would make the biggest difference in your situation? Something that's particularly important to understand is the timeline for spending these funds. Unlike some previous stimulus programs, there are no restrictions on how quickly you need to spend this money. This means you can take your time and make thoughtful decisions about how to best use these funds to improve your financial situation. Wouldn't it be wise to plan ahead for how you'll use this money? Let's talk about what to do if you don't receive your payment when expected. The IRS has established specific procedures for tracking and claiming missing stimulus payments. This includes an online portal where you can check your payment status and a dedicated phone line for assistance. But do you know what information you'll need to have ready when following up on a missing payment? There's also been some discussion about potential scams targeting seniors regarding this stimulus payment. It's crucial to stay vigilant and protect yourself from fraudsters who might try to take advantage of this situation. Remember, the IRS will never call, email, or text you asking for personal information or payment to process your stimulus check. Have you encountered any suspicious communications claiming to be about this stimulus payment? One area that's causing some confusion is how this stimulus payment might affect married couples where both spouses are over 60 and receiving benefits. In most cases, each eligible individual will receive their own $3,500 payment, potentially bringing $7,000 into the household. However, there are some specific rules about how this works for couples with different benefit situations. Are you clear on how this might apply to your household? It's worth noting that some recipients might be eligible for additional support beyond this stimulus payment. Various state and local programs are available to help seniors with expenses like property taxes, utilities, and healthcare costs. This stimulus check could be just one part of a broader strategy to improve your financial situation. Have you explored all the assistance programs available in your area? The impact of this golden stimulus check could be significant for many seniors. Consider how $3,500 could help with home repairs, medical expenses, or creating a financial cushion for emergencies. This is particularly important given the rising costs of healthcare and everyday expenses that many seniors face. What would make the biggest difference in your financial situation right now? Let's address some concerns about future benefits and payments. This golden stimulus check is separate from any cost of living adjustments, COLA, or other regular benefit increases you might receive. It's important to understand that accepting this payment won't affect future benefit calculations or eligibility. Isn't it reassuring to know this extra help won't compromise your long-term financial security? Many people are wondering about the best ways to track their payment once it's been approved. The IRS has several tools available, including online tracking systems and automated phone services. Understanding how to use these resources can help reduce anxiety about when your payment will arrive. Do you know how to access these tracking tools? Something that's particularly important for seniors with caregivers or family members helping manage their finances is ensuring proper communication and documentation. Having a clear plan for how this stimulus payment will be received and managed can help prevent confusion or misunderstandings. Have you discussed this with your family members or caregivers? For those wondering about deadline dates, it's crucial to understand that while there's no formal application process for most eligible seniors, there are some important dates to keep in mind. These include deadlines for updating your information with the Social Security Administration or VA if needed, and timeframes for following up on missing payments. Are you aware of these key dates and what they mean for you? Looking ahead, many are asking about the possibility of future stimulus payments or additional support for seniors. While this current golden stimulus check is a significant step, it's important to stay informed about potential future assistance programs. Keeping up with news and updates about senior benefits can help ensure you don't miss out on future opportunities. Would you like to know more about how to stay informed about future benefit programs? As we wrap up this discussion about the $3,500 golden stimulus check, remember that staying informed and taking prompt action when needed are key to ensuring you receive the benefits you're entitled to. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates on senior benefits, financial opportunities, and important news that could affect your financial well-being. Have you found this information helpful in understanding the Golden Stimulus Check program? Remember to like this video, hit that subscribe button, and turn on notifications so you never miss important updates about your benefits. Share this video with other seniors who might benefit from this information. Drop your questions in the comments below, and we'll do our best to help you understand everything about this important stimulus payment. Until next time, stay informed and take care of yourselves.